How to fix the sorry we couldn't update your profile picture error on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the sorry we couldn't update your profile picture error on Instagram. So if you're having trouble changing your profile picture, don't worry. I've got a few easy solutions for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you will want to try is switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. To do this, simply scroll down from the top right side of the screen. So you can simply turn off the Wi-Fi and simply turn on mobile data. And you should try switching between it because most of the time mobile data is faster and more stable than Wi-Fi, which might help to resolve this issue. Okay, now with this, let's go to another step, that is to check Instagram updates. So if switching to mobile data didn't work out, the next step is to check if your Instagram app is up to date. And here is how you can do it. So the first thing you can do is open the Google Play Store, and once you have opened it, simply search for Instagram in the search bar and make sure that Instagram app is up to date. And if you see any update button next to the app, you can simply tap on it to update, because new updates often fixes bugs and glitches, so updating your app can help to resolve this issue. And now with that, let's head to the last step, that is to report the problem to Instagram. So if none of these solutions work, the last option is to report the issue to Instagram, and here is how you can do it. So open Instagram, and from there, simply tap on a profile picture shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in a profile picture, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as help. Now here in the help section, simply tap on report a problem. And here tap on report problem. And now here in this section, you can describe the issue, and once you're done, you can simply hit send, and Instagram will review your report and hopefully fix the issue soon for you. And that's it. Those are best ways to fix the profile picture update error on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.